wormwood. This is a very beautiful plant. It can grow quite large. It's easy to grow. It's in the sage family, and it's been used for health support wherever and whenever in the world it's been grown. In ancient China, it was used for long life. In ancient Greek and Rome, it was used for clearing, well, it is named wormwood for a reason. In monastic gardens in the Middle Ages, it was in all herbal gardens. It was always there because it was so important for health. It was used in beer before hops. And absinthe, the Latin name is Artemisia absinthium. Absinthe was the drink of the French Impressionist artists that they used in excess for their beautiful Impressionism, but it caused hallucinations and damage to the health in excess, and so it became banned because the thujones in overdose amounts are damaging to health. But in the right amounts, it helps your digestion, your gut flora, cleansing your intestinal tract. It is a wonderful spring cleansing herb. And in fact, it does even more than that. It helps tone tissues, helps with joint discomfort, calms nerves, reduces irritability, it's calming that way, spasms in the intestines, and even helps with menstrual discomforts. Pretty good. It's strong acting, it's for short-term use only, and it's strong tasting, extremely bitter and astringent. So use it in smaller amounts, but do your gut a favor. Use wormwood now and again to support your digestive system's environment and your entire health for that longer life that the ancient Chinese were looking for.